Hello. So I just got out of the shower, but I feel like it's my duty as an American to help the public with something. So as you can see, I have a light bulb out. I actually have 2 light bulbs out, but I'm gonna change the one today because I think changing 2 of them is a little too advanced for some of my viewers. So I'm gonna show you how to change this light bulb. All right, so the first thing you need to do is locate your spare light bulb. Which is this guy, hopefully. I found it in the laundry room and I'm hoping it fits. The next thing you gotta do is you gotta get something to stand on because light bulbs are usually high up, like this one. So normally a chair or something might work, but I only have a swivel chair, which, those are dangerous. This is obviously much safer. It's very important that before you go to take out the dead light bulb and put in the new one, that you turn off the light because you could possibly electrocute yourself, which would be funny, but painful. Then you're gonna get up here and try not to fall. All right, ladies. We go up here and, oh my, I don't know how to get this out. This is difficult. Oh, it's dusty up here. Okay. Well, my dudes, it would appear that I can't fucking change a light bulb. Okay, so I got the dead one out and it was really hard. You had to twist it. So now it is time to get rid of this bitch and put the new one in the thingy-majigger. Now, if you notice, in there we have some little, those things. What you gotta do is get your bulb in them and twist, like I will demonstrate. We have the new bulb right here, and we're gonna place it in the slot, like that. And just give it a good old twisteroo. And there you have it. That bulb is in. So this is how you change a light bulb. All right, so you wanna make sure that that guy is in there real tight, because that's important. Then you wanna step off of your Tower of Doom very carefully, as not to kill yourself. You can come on over to the light switch, pop that sucker on, and then your light is good. There you go, folks. 3, not 2, but 3 working light bulbs and a bright room, except for that light bulb. That's a different day. What we're focusing on is that guy, and he is golden, he's glowing, you're doing amazing. So there you have it. How to change a light bulb 101 with me, Nat. Have an amazing day. You're beautiful.